Okay, hey guys, I'm doing this video just to send some updates on gold and Nasdaq that we had analyzed yesterday. So I'm gonna start with gold. So yesterday with gold, we were expecting a bit of push in price, still targeting the 78.6 level. We want to see price tap and see how price react from this level. So from here we want to see price dropping down. For now, this is where we confirm our sell level, but we're gonna discuss it on the live chart. So let's jump to the live chart. So on the live chart, we see price has been pushing up significantly, and as it looks, it seems like we are to test the 78.6 level, where it's gonna be our completion of wave B, wave C of B. So from here, this is where we will be interested and watch to see how price react from here, so that we can enter our sell around these areas. For now, I am keeping this level as my confirmation sell level, but bearing in mind that as price unfolds to these higher areas, I am certain that it will provide an opportunity to shift our sell confirmation from here to around these areas, where we will lower our risk. So it's going to be a good watch on gold. Probably the coming week or 2 weeks, we are going to see maybe a clear pattern unfolding where we will be able to enter our sell. So yeah, let's move on to Nasdaq. Let's move on to Nasdaq. Okay, this is the live chat of Nasdaq. Let me bring on the chart of Nasdaq. So yesterday on Nasdaq, we were watching price, and we've been expecting a drop, assuming the wave C of this flat pattern is completed, and then we assume that what we are seeing is a wave 1 push, and then from the wave 1 we expect to see wave 2 drop, which will end around these areas, and we're going to use the necessary tools, the Fibonacci tools, to measure the retracement of wave 2 in order to trade the wave 3, which we assume it will move until it clears these highs. So let's move on to the live chart. So our live chart, it indicates that yes, price did push a bit higher from yesterday's analysis, and then what we might be looking at is a drop on Nasdaq in a form of a correction. Then we will be certain that indeed this was a wave 1 push, because every impulse wave, it has to be corrected by a specific correction pattern. So in this case, you can begin to label our structure. Okay, so this is our wave 1, and then this is our wave 2, and then we are to see wave 3, the one we want to trade, and wave 4, and then wave 5. So from here, this we might bear in mind that this might be a wave 1 or wave A, because yes, it is a complete pattern, but we know that in terms of correction patterns, they can get complicated, they can get complex. We have complex correction, which will entail that this is a ABC, wave W, you might be seeing a wave X, and then a wave Y to drop lower. So we need to be cautious of such situations. So in this situation, we will wait to see if we see our wave 2 drop, where we will use our Fibonacci retracement tool to measure the possible targets for wave 2 retracement, 61.8% being one of them, 78.6% and 50% level. These are the three targets that we always look at when we want to assume at where wave 2 might retrace to. So from this we know that we have to expect to take a trade at around these areas, and then when price reach here, that's when we begin to pay attention. So for now guys, that's it for me, and I'm going to send a bit of updates as price unfolds further. So I wish you a good trading day guys.